Hey everyone, this is Matt N3VAN, and today we are going to Kutztown, and it looks like the apocalypse. This is not normal for our area. I'm talking to a lot of people, and this doesn't happen. This wildfires from Canada, and the camera actually makes it look a lot clearer than it is, but we're gonna try to activate. Probably looks a lot better in the video, but this looks apocalyptic here in eastern Pennsylvania thanks to the Canadian wildfires. And I assume this is what it would be like if say Yellowstone erupted, except it would smell a lot, well, a little bit different. It would be a sulfuric or sulfury smell instead of just a freshly cut wood or freshly cut forest mixed with smoky campfire. So rather interesting. It's good to see what we're gonna get with propagation. We're on our way there, so we'll see how we do, and I'll see you when I set up on the activation. Hey everyone, this is Matt N3VAN. Today we're doing a park activation, slightly different. Today we are under a very poor, I'm not sure if you could tell, poor air quality alert, and the sun's actually peeking through a lot better than it was. It's a little clearer over here, but back at the QTH, it is a far worse thing. But anyway, got the vehicle here, threw it up in the trees, goes over that higher branch, see right there, and comes down. But yeah, the Canadian wildfires have really wreaked havoc on us, and I'll show you guys a few videos of me driving, and it is horrible. But I'm going to do a quick activation at Park Kilo 8897, which is PA State Game Lines 182. Stay tuned. November 8, Tango Foxtrot Charlie. I was wondering if my rig was working. Thank you for coming back. Let's see, Tango Foxtrot Charlie, you are 5858 into my Park Kilo 8879 QSL.
QSL, you're 57 in Ohio.
Well, thank you very much for the 57 in Ohio. Are you guys dealing with those smoke from the wildfires?
Not in my part of Ohio. I'm kind of in, the southern part of Ohio, close I imagine. But no, my part, we're not dealing with that.
Well, that's good. It's very, you can't even see the sun really over here, and kind of hard to drive. We got a decent amount of smoke from the Canadian wildfires here. Started late yesterday afternoon and got worse today, but I just want to test out propagation underneath the smoke. So thank you so much for coming back, and 7-3, sir.
Thank you for the park, and enjoy your activation. 73.
7-3, sir. This is November 3, Victor Alpha November, QRZ. I heard Kilo Echo 8, come again?
That would be Kilo Echo 8, Victor Oscar X-ray.
Got you that time. Kilo Echo 8, Victor Oscar X-ray. You are a nice 5858 into Park Kilo 8879 QSL.
Roger on the 58. You're kind of up and down over here. The best you've been has been about a 55 or 55. I'm over here in northern Ohio. Thanks for activating 73.
Well, thank you so much for the 5-5 Northern Ohio. I was just testing out the propagation with this smoke overhead, and it definitely seems to be affecting radio communications. But thank you so much, and 7-3, sir.
Hi, 73.
And 3 VANQRZ.
Kilo 5, Kilo Hotel, Kilo.
Kilo 5, Kilo Hotel, Kilo, nice clean audio, 5757 into Park Kilo 8879 QSL.
You are 5555 into Rochester, New York. QSL.
Thank you so much for 5-5 in Rochester, New York, sir, and hopefully you're not dealing with the wildfire smoke like we are here in Pennsylvania.
The end of your transmission ended up in the noise. Sorry for that. Thanks so much for the contact. I have you in my log. Hope I am meeting you log 2. Have fun in 73.
7-3, sir. November 3, Victor Alpha November, QRZ.
November 3, Sierra Mike.
November 3, Sierra Mike, clean audio, 5858 into Park Kilo 8879 QSL.
QSL, thank you much, sir. you at a 56PA. Thanks for the state game line.
Well, thank you very much. I decided to take a little break and head out there. It's just right off of 78, so thank you so much. And 7-3, sir.
Have a good one.
CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. So it seems like so far we got Ohio, North Ohio, Rochester, New York, and Pennsylvania. So, and my signals are pretty in the dumper, 5755, 5556. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. We have 4. We need 6 more to activate. See if we can do it. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. Now my daughter had the YL had field day today. You know her, Katie, and they had to cancel it because of this. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November.
November 3, Victor Alpha November. This is Kilo Delta 8, Whiskey, Juliet, Bravo.
Hey, Kilo Delta 8, Whiskey Juliet Bravo. Clean audio, you are 5858 into my park, Kilo 8879 QSL.
Roger, I got cut out there a little bit. I'm located in Ohio, Chillicothe, Ohio. I just cut the bridge on the air, got my antenna backed up, and I was hoping to get a little bit of a radio check, if you don't mind.
Well, you sound good, a little distorted in the audio, but it could be from the atmospherics here where I am. We have heavy smoke from Canada Wildfire, so definitely affecting propagation as well as signals. So, but you're coming in 5858, even with slightly distorted audio. QSL?
Roger on the audio. I don't have my desk mic plugged in yet, so I'm going to try that. But I appreciate the comeback. I didn't catch all that information on your first round there, so can you give it back to me, please?
Roger. Yes, you are 58 for signal report, and I am in Park Kilo 8879. QSL?
Park 8879. Where's that located?
That's located around Kutztown, Pennsylvania. It's just south, a little bit south of Interstate 78.
Roger on that. I think I've been by there a few times. Yeah, we're located in southern Ohio here, and you're coming in a good 557, 58 here on this end too. So, good luck on your talk on the air, and thanks for the information on the radio. I'll say 73s, N3 VAF. This is K-8879.
Sounds good, sir. 7-3. Call again was November 3, Victor Alpha November. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. All right, he was doing a radio check. Not sure if the distortion was because he just set up or due to atmospherics, but my signal was a little higher for him. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November.
Kilo Delta 4, Uniform, November, X-ray.
Kilo Delta 4, Uniform, November, X-ray. Clean audio, strongest signal so far today of 5959 into Park Kilo 8879. QSL?
Hey, thanks a lot. I've got you at about a 4747 here in North Carolina. QSL?
Well, thank you so much for North Carolina. I didn't think I was going to get it that far. I heard from a friend down North Carolina, northern North Carolina, that you guys are getting some of this Canadian wildfire smoke, but we got it pretty bad up here. I wanted to do a park activation and check out the propagation. So thank you very much for coming back, sir.
Well, hey, I hope you have a great day and enjoy your activation. 73, KD4UNX.
Thank you so much. 7-3. This is November 3, Victor Alpha November. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. All right, so we're up to 6. He got us at a 4.7 in North Carolina. I usually do a lot better than that. Maybe because we're down into like a little gully area here. I'll pan the camera around when I'm done, but still not bad considering it's very, very hazy with the Canadian wildfire smoke. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. It's a weird smoke. It's more of like a freshly cut trees. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. There's the overhead scan. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. I have to tune this wire. It's not appropriately tuned, and I'm making a video on that shortly. Okay, let's give 20 meters a try. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. We just need 3 more. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. November 3, Tango Romeo Oscar, you're a 5757 into Park Kilo 8879 QSL.
QSL, you were the same, 5-7 down here in Florida. Thank you very much and good luck.
Wow, thanks so much for the Florida contact, sir. Thank you so much, and 7-3. Yep, this is CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. Huh, we got Florida. 5.7, that's not bad. I did bump up the power up to about 70, 72. I just readjusted the antenna. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. The Ballon before was Sierra Quebec Papa, come back again. I heard the ending. All right, I got you at a 5-5 Kilo Delta 9 Sierra Quebec Papa 5-5 into Park Kilo 8879 QSL. Roger, Sierra Quebec Papa, I got you. Still 5-5 signal, you're down in the noise a bit, but I can hear you. QSL? Roger, I copy you. Kilo Delta 9 Sierra Quebec Papa, again 5-5 from Park Kilo 8879 QSL. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. He said we are 3-3. I don't know exactly where he was. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. So before the Ballon was closer to the ground, maybe like a foot, 2 feet. What is that? CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. This is a tough one. We got Florida. He said I was 5-7, so. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. Hey, Kilo Oscar 4 Romeo, you're a nice clean 5-7 and good audio into Park Kilo 8879 QSL.
You're about a 5.7 in Florida.
Wow, thank you very much for another 5.7 in Florida. You're the second one. It's good I'm getting through this Canadian wildfire smoke that we have above us. So thank you so much, and 7-3, sir.
7-3.
CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. Hey, we got our 10. That's all that counts. Had to hunt someone, but other than that, we're good. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November.
Kilo 3, Sierra Delta Mike, park to park.
Hey, park to park station, come back again. Kilo Delta 4, Sierra Mike, QSL.
Close. It's Kilo 3, Sierra Delta Mike, QSL.
Ah, there we go. This smoke is getting to me. Kilo 3, Sierra Delta Mike, you're a clean 5.7 into park. Kilo 8879 QSL.
QSL. I'm going to give you a 5.5 in the Kilo Yankee. My park is Kilo 1254. That's 1264. QSL.
Well, thank you very much for the 5.5 in Kentucky. I think besides Florida, that's the furthest I reached today. I didn't realize how much propagation was going to be affected with the smoke overhead. But I got your park in Kentucky, Kilo 1254. Thank you so much, and you are 5.7 QSL.
QSL. I really appreciate you taking my call. And conditions are a little challenging, and any contact I can make today, I really value that. I wish you the very best in your activation, and thank you so much. 73.
Well, thank you, and good luck as well, because yeah, the band conditions are pretty awful. You're actually my number 11, and I've been here for about a good 30 minutes trying to earn each one of those. So thanks so much, and 7-3, sir. POTA on.
Hold on, thank you. 73.
CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November.
Kilo 5 with Papa.
Kilo India 5, Whiskey Papa, 5.7 into park. Kilo 8879 QSL.
QSL, I've got you about 5.8 into Oklahoma at Kilo 8879.
Thank you so much for the 5.5 Oklahoma. I'm glad I made it that far, and I got a beautiful signal report from you. So thanks so much, sir, and 7-3. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. Yeah, I was panning around, then that guy came back. Maybe I'll do that again. CQ POTA, November 3, Victor Alpha November. That was a tough activation, guys, here at Park Kilo 8879. But we did it. As you can see, a little smoky. There's the sun, all covered up. What I did was over here, as you can see, paracord, tied off into the tree. That's what I usually do. I use, see if I can do this one-handed. Probably, maybe. All right, there we go. It's free. And we're gonna gently pull from the other end. Maybe I'll remove the, there's the orange carabiner, S carabiner. I'm gonna remove the paracord, and we'll pull it from the other side, and you guys can watch. So I'm gonna pull it through. Let me actually pop the trunk for a second. Probably block your vision. All right, guys, got the winder from N2YQT. Had the ballon up there. Let's see. Let's wind it and pull it out of the tree real quick. Okay. This winder has the call sign on it, which is nice, but the other one for my antenna making business. Let's take this off. You don't need that weight. There we go. Got it hung up a little bit. But yep, you just wind it up. This is Polystel 22 gauge. very forgiving, and you can pull on it nicely. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll have to look. But anyway, a little tough activating. Conditions aren't that great. And also, propagation's probably not that good with the smoke above. I probably shouldn't be out. I have pretty bad allergies. I kept them in check for a while, but with this smoke, makes it all that harder. Oh, there it goes. There's the carabiner on the other end. I have to tune this wire. I'll probably set it up in the backyard, tune it down to the single sideband portion, or even just keep this for when I start doing CW, which I have to get my code copy a little better. Sending is easy. It's just the code copy. So we'll get you a little bit in trouble. Come on. You're stuck on a branch. There we go. Okay, that's it. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for part Kilo 8879. Only got about 12, 13 contacts. It's a little smoky. I'll probably take a nice little outside drive. But thank you very much for joining me in another Parks on the Air activation. And I hope to see you on the next video. If you have any questions on how I set up, please, by all means, ask me in the comments, and I'll be glad to help you, and even maybe show you what I use from antenna to gear, so I can better help you. But anyway, this is Matt N3VAN, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. 7-3.